So with the continuity of logical instruction, I'm going to explain in this video the last instruction of this logical group is STC. So STC means set carry. So now we will write here first their opcode. So opcode for this instruction is STC, and from the name itself it is very obvious that it is going to set the carry bit of the flags. So here by default that flag register will be their operand, or that carry bit will be their operand. So due to that reason no need to mention the operand here as a separately. So that is the reason their operand will be mentioned here as a none. Now with the example we will learn about this. So for example here, if this carry bit is 0 before using this instruction, so now if we will write it here STC, so after execution, so this is the status before execution of this instruction. After execution of this instruction as a STC, it means set carry. So this carry flag will become now as a 1. This is the status after execution of this instruction. But if the carry flag itself is 1 here, and now if we are going to write at STC, so after execution of this instruction that carry is already set, so this will be as it is. So this is the status before, and even after execution of this STC it will be same, because the purpose of this instruction is set the carry. So before execution of this instruction, if it is reset, it will be set. If it is already set, then it will be carrying the same as a set status here. So due to that reason, now their flag status will be what? So we can write down into the note that only carry flag is set to 1. Only carry flag is set to 1. No other flags are affected. No other flags are affected. So this thing is very, very important with respect to this instruction. You need to keep into mind that only carry flag is going to set to 1, rest of all the flags will be as it is, and that is very obvious from the name itself. So that name STC is saying that their function is set carry. So now we'll talk about their size. So as like the previous instruction, this instruction also consists of only English alphabet. So due to that reason their size in terms of byte, it will be 1 byte only, and as a machine cycle it is going to fetch only the opcode from the memory to the processor. So that is the reason it is required only one operation. So that operation is called here as a opcode fetch machine cycle, and by default that for the opcode fetch operation the number of T states required will be 4 T state. So far we had seen 15 logical instructions, and you must have to go through one by one, and then you have to understand their operations. And the most important part apart from the operation is how it is impacting to the flags. So in which operation, in which instruction, how many flags are going to be affected, in what way it is going to be affected, that must be taken care to answer many more questions based on this instruction set. And even if you are going to use these instructions to analyze a program or to write a program, then also their operation and flag status is very, very important. So I hope you understand all those logical instructions including this STC in the better manner with the much of clarity, and then I hope you'll use this with much of efficiency. Thank you for understanding this.